So this section we're going to talk about relationships in the context of Power BI. And relationships in Power BI define how tables are connected and how data from one table. Now pay attention how tables are connected. So how data from one table can be related to data in another table, like the data in table A, how this data in table A can be related to data in table B. And once we are able to successfully create these relationships between these two tables, it will enable us to be able to create an interactive report, a dynamic and interactive report. There are three different types of relationships that can be in Power BI. We have one-to-one relationship, we have one-to-many relationship, we have many-to-many relationship. What I intend to do here is to explain all these types of relationships to us practically as we continue. Now let's quickly go straight into our Power BI desktop and try to import our data. We had gone through that in our previous classes, how to import our data. We told us to come here and we pick our data source. Then we'll pick our data source. It leads us to where our data is. So we load it into the Power BI desktop, and that's all. Now, the type of data that we're using today is a CSV format, and we have about six different, as in a CSV format, we have about six different files. But and each file contains one table. Normally, I would have combined all the tables together in a single file and have it imported at once. But that was a mistake I did. But and there's a way you could actually load them as a folder immediately, or as a folder straight down into Power BI. But that is not for today's class. So I'll just maintain how I taught you for now. Then in our future classes, I'm going to show us how to load data straightforwardly into Power BI. So now we come to get data, and we have it's a CSV data, right? Now you can only do it once. Open. Now it's loading it into here, right? We load it. Next thing you need to do is after it's done, you see the change has been made here. Where of course has been the courses has been loaded. Now we do that again. CSV file, and we pick departments, right? I'm intentionally doing it this way so that we can refreshing our memory also about how to load data into Power BI, right? CSV file again, but we could actually load the whole of this as a folder all at once too. But that is not for this class. We'll do that in the future. All right, again, I think we are done enrollment. Let's do instructor courses. Then we load straightly. Then let's go again to instructors. Then we'll come for students after we're done. Now it will open us into the navigator, then you load it, and then we also have the last one. Let's try to bring in the last one.